I'm Stephen Moylan, and you're watching Local Leaders Talk, Cape Cod and Islands Home Edition.
Our core focus is to provide quality building materials to our contractor and architect customers. Our builders represent about 75% of our business, and 25% of our business is our retail customers. So we do cater to both retail and contractor customers. The majority of our retail customers come to us for help with their kitchen, bath, flooring, tile, window and door needs. Hi, I'm Lynn Mason-Small. I'm the Director of Marketing with Mid-Cape Home Centers and Complete Home Concepts. Mid-Cape Home Centers and Complete Home Concepts is a 113-year-old company. Started in 1895 as a building lumber material supplier in Chatham, Massachusetts. And since then, it's really branched out. We have 9 Mid-Cape Home Center locations in Complete Home Concepts. We have 275 employees in the company. We are located everywhere from Wellfleet to Plymouth, Massachusetts, Kingston, and Middleborough. So truly sort of a southeastern Massachusetts company, no longer just focused on Cape Cod. As you'll see from this first photo, this is one of our kitchen vignettes in our Plymouth location. You can see the big, beautiful island is really the showcase of this kitchen. There's a built-in range right into the island. Amazing storage options. You'll see on the left-hand side there the wine rack that's built right in. Double ovens, big stainless steel refrigerator, granite countertops. So this is really a spectacular cherry kitchen. You'll see from this second photo, this is our Bentwood high-end line. It's done in a two-tone color with the island being in a different color than the actual cabinets, which is really popular right now. You'll also see from this kitchen that they've chosen to work with 2 different countertop options. The countertop on the kitchens is a beautiful granite, and then a butcher block on the island, which is really popular right now too, because people do use the island so much for prep work and whatnot. As a company, we are definitely most proud of our Complete Home Concept showrooms. They are amazing designer showrooms, very upscale. You can walk in, we have what we call a main street, and you literally walk down the main street, and as you're walking down, you can see all the different kitchen vignettes, bath vignettes, the layout of the windows and doors. We have front doors in there, decking systems, tile. So it's truly a place where you can go in and see all the different elements of how you want your project to come together, and it shows you how they can actually work together to create the kitchen or bath or whatever project you're doing in your dreams. The advice that we would give a homeowner is first and foremost, be comfortable with your designer. Obviously this is a person that you're going to be working with to create the kitchen of your dreams. So you want to make sure that you have a really great working relationship with them. And if you don't hit it off with the first one, try another one. I mean, there's certainly plenty of designers. We have 14 or 15 designers within our own company. So, we have many different options of people to choose from. Just like a builder or a contractor or architect, you should feel comfortable with who you're working with. The second piece of advice we would give is to, if you see things in a magazine, make sure you cut out pictures and then develop some commonalities between what you're picking out. If you see that you've picked out the same color granite from all these different pictures, maybe that's what you want to go with because that's what you're leaning towards. The third piece of advice that we would give is to be open to new products. With the green movement being the way that it is and increasing so rapidly, we would definitely advise you to keep your options open to some new products that are coming out on the market that might be eco-friendly and work within the kitchen that you really want. On that note, obviously keep efficiency in mind. Whether you're building a new kitchen or a new home or remodeling one, now might be the time to think about how your windows or slider doors or front door might work in with your efficiency practices of your home. And I think lastly, we would advise you to be really comfortable working with an interior designer and an electrician. The interior designer certainly can help you make sure that the sort of vision that you have in your head really comes to fruition. And an electrician is very, very important when you're designing a kitchen. The worst thing that you can do is design this beautiful new kitchen and then put in stark lighting or don't have enough lighting. So working with an electrician right from the start of your project really does help. They can help you with things like under cabinet lighting or recess lighting or softer lighting in your home, or maybe you need brighter lighting because you're working with a darker cabinet or whatnot. So develop a good working relationship with an electrician.
You've been watching Local Leaders Talk, and I'm Stephen Moylan.